Juicing for beginners. If you've been thinking about juicing for some time, but are not sure where to start, you are in the right place. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss juicing for beginners. Juicing can be an amazing way to get lots of fruit and vegetables into your diet. These improve your health and bring more nutrients into your diet. What is juicing and how can it help you? Juicing is the process of extracting juice from fruits and vegetables, separating out the pulp, fibers, or skins. The resulting liquid contains a concentrated amount of vitamins, minerals, as well as phytochemicals. Types of juicer. Besides a simple citrus squeezer that many use to juice orange and lemons, there are two main types of mechanical juicer: centrifugal and masticating. The differences between the different types are in how they extract juice from their produce, their efficiency in extracting nutrients, and their speed when it comes to grinding up the ingredients. Tips for buying a juicer. Look for a juicer with at least two different speeds, e.g. low speed and high speed, so that it's easier to juice leafy greens like wheatgrass and spinach without blowing up the motor when you push the wrong button. Consider what size will work best on your countertop. Some people prefer a small juicer if they have space restrictions, while others need something larger. How to make juice. There is a small amount of preparation to do. This includes cutting up the produce so that you can easily put it through the juicer blades without excessive force. You do not need to peel fruit and vegetables, but for this reason, it is a good idea to use organic produce. Vegetable juice. Vegetables are a great place to start because they're easy on the stomach. They have fibre, which can help with constipation, and lower cholesterol levels. Try mixing root vegetables, dark leafy greens, and citrus for your first juice recipe. Where to find recipes to get started with juicing. Some of the best places to find juicing recipes for beginners are online. There is a wealth of content dedicated exclusively to juicing, so it's easy to find what you're looking for and get inspired by new ideas. Common mistakes with juicing. You really only need a cheap juice extractor if you're just starting out with juicing, since your needs will change as you become more experienced in juicing. Another common mistake beginners make is that they just juice fruit. While these juices are delicious, they can be high in sugar. This sugar gets absorbed into the body very quickly and can cause poor health and weight gain. Mix in vegetables for a healthier juice. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.